Hi friends, thank you all so much for coming back to craft with me today, and welcome if you are new here. My name is Alyssa, and today I'm going to finish decorating and filling up this fun little interactive ephemera folio that we made in my last video. So if you missed the tutorial, I will have that linked down below, and this was just my little sample one. So we're going to focus on this one today, and I already went ahead and did some stamping here on my little tab. So it says memories over here. And then in the very back on this pocket, I just stamped ephemera. So this is what it looked like again. We've got our front pocket here. We have a flip up page on the inside, a big pocket over here, pockets, and then this sort of like envelope inspired page, but lots of fun places to stick photos or ephemera, maybe do a little bit of journaling. So let's go back to the cover and start there. I had already created my little insert for the cover, and this is just a journaling card that says adventure awaits you. And I added a sticker here. There's some coffee dyed paper in the background. This paper is from the same paper pad, and I just loved all of the butterflies there. Again, I used the Kirby Teasdale Studio paper pad here. This was from Hobby Lobby, and my mom actually got that for me. But this is a nice, perfect fit here for the inside. So I might decorate the pocket too with something else. Or maybe I won't, because I like this print. It already has some flowers on it. So maybe I won't even do anything. Let me just flip this open and start working on the inside instead. I do have part of this little coffee dyed doily, and I might just stick it over top here for some writing space. Maybe I'll do it this way. Or it could just be a little decoration for the page, or maybe you could put a photo over top. But I think it just adds a pretty effect. And then I'll just tear off any of this excess. Or try to. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for that flap. And on this side, I'm probably going to grab this little sheet here for more writing space and probably just washi tape that over here. And this side I'm going to leave alone because you could also write something here or put a smaller photo. So I think that's all I'm going to do for that flap. And then over here, I just have this little wallpaper scrap. And I added just a label down below and a butterfly sticker because I think this would be a perfect little photo mat. And then you could write a caption down here, or you could even just glue another sheet of paper over top for more writing space, make it a journaling card. So I'm just going to slide that into this pocket. And perhaps I'll decorate these pockets. Maybe I will do something like this. I like how the red kind of pops against the green. So these are just some stickers I've had in my stash. And this one I'm going to glue. Okay, moving right along. So for my little ephemera pockets, I mean, they can be whatever kind of pockets you want them to be, but I just grabbed a few little pieces here. This is actually an envelope. I think I got this from Temu. So I'll just slide that in this pocket, and then I have this little journaling card that says missing you. I love the little bird there. And then just another little piece. I also had this in my stash. I'm not sure where it's from, probably Temu or something like that. But I'm gonna stick those into here. And I'm just gonna quickly move on to my last page. I had this other ephemera piece. It was from the same pack as this one. And I think it is perfect over here with the green background. So I'm just gonna glue this down. Even some trim here on the bottom of this lid would be cute too. But I'm just gonna leave that for now. Open this up, and I had these two extra little scraps. I think I want to just place one of them here, probably this one. And I'm just going to use a strip of washi tape here to attach that. And this washi tape is from New Craft Day. Love that washi tape. And then down below here, I can just stick this. This was just a coffee dyed index card that I had, and I'm probably going to glue that. And maybe add one extra little sticker. You know what? I'm just going to glue this whole thing down. And then I'll just put this sticker right over top. Okay, so that's my little flip down page there. And we can close that up. I forgot the top loading pocket here right in the middle. So I've just gone ahead and created this little tag. Isn't this paper so pretty though, with all the butterflies and the flowers? And then I put be open to whatever comes next here. Just some super simple decorating, if you can even call that decorating, because I just love the paper so much. So that's my tag. And I'm gonna stick that right in the middle here. Love it, and you can see that butterfly poking out. Okay, so I think that's everything for this interactive folio slash album. So I really hope that you guys have enjoyed this fun file folder project. Again, if you missed the tutorial, I can link that down below. I will link my file folder project playlist. I just love playing around with file folders and seeing what I can create with them. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more crafty fun and inspiration, and leave me a comment down below. I love to hear from all of you, and whether you're an old friend or a new friend here, I just really appreciate all of your support. So there's that flap again. Thank you guys once again, and I will see you all very soon in my next video. So happy crafting and huge hugs to all of you.